Hello, my name is Wendy Kohler, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the most budget-friendly essential oil collections that doTERRA offers. It's a beautiful kit to get started with for people who are looking for muscle and joint pain support, immune system support, cleaning, cleansing, green cleaning around your home, sleep, stress, and relaxation. It's pretty broad coverage for only just 4 products. So this is called the Simple Solutions Kit. It comes with a deep blue rub, and it comes with 3 15 ml bottles of essential oil. So we have lemon, really popular, huge staple. OnGuard, this is our immune system supportive everyday oil. And then Serenity. And these bottles are 15 mils, so they contain 250 drops of essential oil in them. And if you've caught any of my other oil videos or classes, you'll know that our oils are 50 to 70 times more potent than herbs. So you're really just using 1 drop at a time. These should last you quite some time. My background, I'm a physiotherapist that has retired. My husband's a chiropractor. These are oils we use every day, especially this deep blue in our practice and his practice. And we use lemon every day in our water. We use OnGuard every day in our office to diffuse so that we're cleansing the air when patients are coming in and out. And of course, we have 2 little kids at home, so we're using them consistently at home too. So let me walk you through. I'm going to give you at least 10 different ways to use each of these products and show you a few extra things. All right, we can use the oils in this kit 3 different ways. Well, 4. We can use them aromatically, which means breathing them in. So you can use your lemon, your OnGuard, and your Serenity aromatically. And when we do that, we're impacting our brain, our mood, our emotion, our memory, our behavior. And if you have a diffuser and you put them in, you're also impacting the air around you. We can use them topically. We can use the deep blue rub topically, lemon, OnGuard, and Serenity. So all 4 can be used on our skin. We do recommend that we use a carrier oil, and we typically use what's called fractionated coconut oil, but you can use any carrier oil that you wish. And then internally, we can use lemon and OnGuard from this collection internally. So that is a drop in water. It's a drop in a veggie capsule. Maybe you're flavoring your food. There are lots of different ways you can drop under the tongue. The OnGuard tends to be a little bit spicy because it's got cinnamon in it, but this oil can be used internally, and so can lemon. When we're talking about topical use, where can we apply these oils and the products in this kit? Well, again, you want to make sure you're diluting your oils for a number of reasons. One is because it stays longer on your skin so you can absorb them better. And the second is to prevent any skin sensitivity because, again, these are potent and pure essential oils. A place to apply deep blue rub, for example, is anywhere you're holding tension or stress. So a pea-size amount on the back of the neck and shoulders. I use it on my jaw quite a bit after a car accident that I was in. I can get jaw discomfort when I'm tense or overly stressed. So apply to the neck to calm things down. You can use the oils topically, a drop in your palms and then inhaling them. That's going to help boost our mood. You can apply Serenity in particular over the heart center to feel more calm and grounded and peaceful and rested. You can use the oils on your spine. Down the back of the spine is an excellent place, especially for little kids. We usually put them in a roller bottle, or you make sure you're applying with your fractionated coconut oil. OnGuard is an excellent oil to use on the spine, and lemon as well, to support daily immune system response, healthy activity of the immune system. You can apply some lemon on your stomach or your abdomen with some carrier oil to help aid in digestion, or even over this area for any burning that you experience after eating. And then the bottom of the feet is an excellent place to apply oils because you get really good uptake, especially for little kids. If you don't want them touching the oils and touching their eyes, because we don't want to get them in our eyes, in our ears, or up our nose. So Serenity at night is an excellent oil to help us get a better night of rest. Let's walk through each and every product, 10 ways to use each of them. And if it's helpful for you, feel free to take a screenshot for future, and you can come back to this webinar later too. So the Deep Blue Rub is our muscle and joint pain blend. It's supportive in soothing sore muscles, sore joints, and in growing pains or before and after exercise. I love, if I've been on my feet all day, I love putting it on the bottom of my feet and my calves at the end of the day. So you can apply it on the feet or knees before and after exercise. It really does help with muscle recovery. I'm a lot less sore when I'm using my Deep Blue consistently, especially if you're starting a new workout routine. Younger kids, if they have growing discomfort, growing pains before bed, you would want to dilute it down a little bit more. So add a little teeny pea size amount to some lotion or other carrier oil and massage it gently into their legs. On the low back, it's amazing. It really helps after lifting, twisting, turning, all the things you're not supposed to be doing, shoveling, gardening, apply to the low back. And if you want to go ahead and intensify your experience, you can put a hot compress on that area to intensify. If any essential oil ever gets too intense for you, all you have to do is put a little more carrier oil on the area and that will dilute it down even more. Again, apply to any sore joints, anyone with discomfort in the joints of the hands. It's a really great cream to rub in there. You can use this before or after massage. You can layer it with an oil called copaiba or lemongrass, especially if you have some ligament challenges. Apply to the wrists after a long day of computer work, especially if you're not sitting in a very ergonomic position. Rub on chest when you feel congested. It really opens your airways. It's exceptional for that. And apply to the bottom of the feet after a long day of walking. If you're someone who experiences head tension, apply to your hairline or anywhere where the headache or head tension starts. But again, avoid getting it in your eyes. Let's talk about the versatility of lemon. Oh boy, so many ways you can use this beautiful oil. One of the most common ways is a drop in your water every single day. So a drop in glass or stainless steel, 250 to 500 mils, just one drop. And that's going to help aid in gentle digestion, gentle detox, and support your immune system function. You can also add it in with sparkling water as well. You can diffuse lemon or put a drop in your hands and inhale if you want an uplifting, fresh, focused environment. You can add a few drops to your smoothie or your tea. Again, you want to make sure it's glass or stainless steel, not plastic. Lemon is an excellent cleaner and cleanser and a wood and leather protector as well. So you can use a drop or two of lemon on a cloth and then use it to clean with. We love cleaning our cars with lemon. You can make spray bottles for any of your surfaces in your home that you want to protect and clean without toxic chemicals. It's really easy. Put 10 to 15 drops of lemon in about a 500 ml glass container, fill with water, a little bit of vinegar if you wish, and then spritz on your countertops and surfaces. You can diffuse lemon with lavender and peppermint, especially if you have seasonal allergies. This is an excellent gold standard combination of oils to support you as you move through that. Inhale it from cupped hands, like we said earlier. You can add lemon to your dryer balls. If you're still using bounce sheets, you want to maybe do a little bit of research, but you can add any of your essential oils to a dryer ball and add them into your laundry for fresh smell, reducing odor, and just an overall great effect without all the chemicals that stick to those dryer sheets. You can add a little bit to your laundry cycle for that extra cleaning. And lemon is the best Gooby Gone you've ever experienced. It is so helpful to take off adhesives, stickiness, gum in hair. We've got it with lemon. One time my daughter wrote through a thin piece of paper with a black Sharpie on our quartz white countertop, and it got on the countertop. I took that out with lemon essential oil and a little bit of our cleaner concentrate. You can get whiteboards, you get to clean it off better, and crayon on walls. There's so many ways you can use your lemon essential oil, and those are just, well, I probably went through 15 there for you. Let's move on to our OnGuard essential oil. This is our protective blend. You can use this oil all 4 ways, meaning aromatic, topical, internal, and in your cleaning. One of the really great ways, especially if you're feeling run down or if it's a season of high environmental threats or challenges that we're going through in society, you can add OnGuard to a veggie capsule to improve your immune system response and function. You can use it to clean your home with. Again, like a recipe that I mentioned with lemon, very similar. Add 15 drops to a spray bottle with water, and it's an exceptional cleaner. You can add it to a bowl of sliced apples, and the kids love these as snacks, and you're getting some immune system support for them as well. You can combine it with coconut oil and use as a natural hand sanitizer and hand cleanser. And you can use internally to promote healthy circulation. It's got great oils in there that support heart health. If you want, again, heart health, take internally, so in a veggie capsule or in water or any of the food that you're eating. You can inhale OnGuard for that quick, in the moment boost of immune system function. Diffuse for energizing and uplifting aroma. Gargle with a drop of lemon for a sore throat, or you can apply to the throat area with a carrier oil, or add a drop to some honey and take that internally as well. So lots of different ways to use OnGuard. One of my favorite ways to use OnGuard and lemon oil, either one, is to wash my produce. So lots of sticky chemicals and pesticides on our produce when we bring it home. So we simply fill our metal sink or metal bowl with water, and we add about 10 drops of lemon or OnGuard, or a combination of both. And then we put our fruit or vegetables in there, and we let them soak for a few minutes and then bring them out and air dry. And you should see what comes off this stuff. So it's excellent for a fruit and veggie wash or produce wash as well. 10 ways to use Serenity. Serenity is our calming, our relaxing blend. This blend helps us just like wind down. It helps our minds wind down. It helps us get a more healthy sleep at night. It's very restful. One of my favorite ways is put a drop in my hands and breathe it in. And when anyone's trying essential oils for sleep support, this is an oil I sample out to them. I instruct them, put it in their hands, breathe it in, apply to the back of the neck, the bottom of the feet, maybe graze the pillow before bed, and then experience the impact. This is really exceptional in a diffuser though at night if you're looking for a full good night's sleep. So again, diffusing, you can calm cranky babies on the bottom of the feet. You can apply the oils or diffuse or down the spine. With babies and infants, you really want to heavily dilute. So you're looking at 1 drop of Serenity per about 5 tablespoons of essential oil. So it obviously goes a long way. You can make a room spray for a calming impact. Maybe this is after school or after homework or after a busy day or before bed. Just combine 15 drops in a glass spray bottle and some water and spritz around. It makes a great linen spray as well. So when we wash our sheets, we put our lemon on our dryer balls or our Serenity, and then we put our sheets on our bed and spritz with Serenity or a spray. So I just keep that on my bedside table. Adding to dry balls, like I mentioned, apply to the back of neck or over the heart. It's a beautiful oil to use for emotional support. Bottom of the feet to unwind. Drops on your pillow or a spray on your pillow, and you can add to aromatherapy jewelry, especially if you have work stress and they don't want you to wear a lot of scents. You can put a drop in a locket and then inhale it whenever you need it. This is a beautiful oil to use in a car diffuser as well. And then diffuse with Balance essential oil for really good grounding impact. I think I missed it, but you can add 2 to 3 drops to a warm bath with Epsom salts. So Serenity in the bath is really quite beautiful. And you can see the picture down here of my Serenity bottle in our bath salts. I think I was getting down to the very end of the bottle and I didn't want to waste any oil. Some oils that can complement this kit. This is meant to be an add-on kit. So you're focusing on all those things, but then most people are really targeting another specific area. So if it's stress or overwhelm or low mood, you might add adaptive to this kit. And that's again to help us reduce stress and anxious feelings. It also helps us transition between challenging times. So our kids, if they're learning something new, if they're transitioning between activities and that usually causes challenge, then we'll add adaptive into their day. Copaiba is an excellent add-on as well. This is an oil to soothe discomfort, anxious feelings, get a good night's sleep. It's a daily wellness oil. I take this oil under the tongue morning and night to help support a healthy inflammatory and healthy immune system response. Or Zengest, another exceptional add-on because this is our digestive blend. If you experience any kind of digestive upset, it's called DigestZen or Zengest, depending on the market you're in. This is an oil for you. You can apply it topically to the area of discomfort like your belly or your lower abdomen, or maybe higher up if you're getting burning sensations. You can put a drop in water. You can put a drop in warm tea. You can put some drops in a veggie capsule. There's lots of different ways to use this oil, and it is very soothing for your digestive system. And then the last thing to consider adding on, if there's hormonal oils you can add on, there's more sleep oils you can add on. There are so many different options, but a diffuser is a wonderful add-on to a starter kit because diffusing essential oils is one of the most common ways to use them. And while you're diffusing, you're getting the benefit all day long. So a diffuser, this is the Petal 2.0. It runs for up to 12 hours. How can you get started with the Simple Solutions Kit? Well, you can go to this link, a bit.ly link, bit.ly/doTERRA-get-started. And that's going to bring you to a page where you're going to pick your country, pick your market, pick your language, and then you can select through the starter kits. So you would select the Simple Solutions Kit. If this one makes the most sense to you, you can add on any oils or diffuser, just use the little search and then follow the steps. What do you get when you get started with a kit like this with me? Well, you get my expertise and my experience. You get my resources. You get my oil community where we do a lot of continuing education and teaching. You get a welcome gift from me, and you get, if you wish to take advantage of it, a personal consultation with me to go through your oils and really carve out a daily plan for you to use them based on what you're working on and to get you the best results possible. So that's my commitment to my new customers, is really helping them, walking alongside them on their journey of healing. If you want to follow me for more information, you can follow me on my Instagram. You can check out my fun reels and my IGTV. You can follow me on YouTube. That's maybe where you found me, or you can go to my website as well. So thanks for tuning in today. I hope that you find that helpful. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help you get started with your essential oil journey.